When it comes to effortless chopping, clean slicing, and precise dicing, few tools outperform the Nakiri knife. Designed with a straight, flat-edged blade, this traditional Japanese-style knife is a favorite among chefs and home cooks for handling vegetables, fruits, and herbs with expert precision. To help you find the perfect addition to your kitchen, we've rounded up the best 5 Nakiri knives available today. Number 5. Unmatched elegance and cutting precision. Damascus Nikuri Knife 6.5 inch. Discover the perfect fusion of artistry and performance with the Damascus Nikuri Knife 6.5 inch. Expertly crafted from premium VG10 Japanese steel and layered in stunning Damascus patterns, this super sharp kitchen knife is built for clean, effortless slicing, chopping, and mincing. Its wide, straight-edged blade glides smoothly through vegetables, meats, and herbs, preserving texture and presentation with every cut. Designed for both beauty and function, the knife features an ergonomic olive wood handle, offering a warm, comfortable grip with natural wood grain that makes each knife uniquely elegant. Whether you're prepping crisp vegetables or creating delicate garnishes, this Damascus Nikuri knife delivers exceptional sharpness, durability, and balance, a must-have for any chef who values both precision and craftsmanship. Number 4. Precision meets style with the best Teio Nikiri knife. Fiery Series. Elevate your kitchen prep with a Teio Nikiri knife, 6.5 inch vegetable cleaver, a beautifully crafted tool designed for precision and performance. Part of the popular Fiery series, this Japanese-inspired chef knife is forged from high-quality German X50CR Mo V15 stainless steel, offering exceptional sharpness, durability, and corrosion resistance. Its straight-edged blade ensures effortless chopping, slicing. The knife is perfectly balanced with an ergonomic pack-a-wood handle, providing a comfortable, slip-resistant grip and a touch of elegance to your kitchen arsenal. Whether you're a professional chef or passionate home cook, the Teio Nikiri knife delivers the perfect combination of style, strength, and precision, making it an indispensable tool for everyday cooking. Number 3. Introducing the best 2025 upgraded Nakiri Chef Knife. Precision cutting, elevated design. Upgrade your kitchen game with the 2025 upgraded Nakiri Chef Knife, a professional-grade 7-inch knife crafted for precision, power, and versatility. Expertly forged from high-carbon stainless steel, this razor-sharp meat cleaver and vegetable knife is built to tackle all your chopping, slicing, and cooking needs with ease. Inspired by traditional Asian craftsmanship and modern kitchen demands, its straight-edged blade delivers smooth, clean cuts without bruising or tearing your ingredients. Designed for both home chefs and culinary professionals, the knife features an ergonomic, well-balanced handle for a secure and comfortable grip, minimizing fatigue during long prep sessions. Whether you're chopping vegetables, slicing meats, or crafting intricate dishes, this upgraded Nakiri knife ensures superior performance, lasting sharpness, and a seamless cooking experience. Number 2. Experience precision and craftsmanship with the best 7-inch Nakiri knife. Bring professional-grade performance to your kitchen with the best 7-inch Nakiri knife, a versatile chef's tool designed for effortless slicing, dicing, and chopping. Made from premium Japanese high-carbon stainless steel, this razor-sharp kitchen knife ensures clean, precise cuts whether you're preparing meat, vegetables, or herbs. Its classic straight-edged blade glides through ingredients without crushing, preserving flavor and presentation. Finished with an ergonomic pack-a-wood handle, this knife offers a comfortable, secure grip for optimal control and reduced hand fatigue even during extended prep work. Durable, elegantly designed, and resistant to corrosion and wear, it's the perfect blend of traditional Japanese craftsmanship and modern kitchen versatility. Ideal for home cooks and professional chefs alike, this Nakiri knife makes every cut count. Number 1. Discover precision and power in your kitchen with the Paudin Nikiri knife. Elevate your cooking experience with the Paudin Nikiri knife. A 7-inch multipurpose kitchen essential designed for both home chefs and culinary professionals. Expertly crafted from high-carbon stainless steel, this razor-sharp cleaver excels in precision slicing, dicing, and chopping of meat, vegetables, and herbs with ease. Inspired by traditional Asian cutlery, the Nakiri knife features a straight-edged blade that ensures clean, effortless cuts without tearing or crushing delicate ingredients. Engineered for comfort and control, the ergonomic handle offers a secure, balanced grip, reducing fatigue during extended prep sessions. Whether you're fine chopping greens or breaking down larger cuts of meat, the Paudin Nikiri knife delivers reliable, high-performance results in every slice. Beautifully designed and built to last, it's a versatile addition to any modern kitchen.